I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage the credit cards that you have saved for autofill on Safari on your iPhone. So first, we're going to go into Settings. We'll scroll all the way down, select Apps, and then use the slider on the right to go to the S section and select Safari Settings. Now here, we'll scroll down to the sections titled General, and then we'll click on Autofill. And here in Credit Cards, we're going to click on Saved Credit Cards. We're also going to make sure that the green toggle is on for credit cards to be used, or it's off for basically if you don't want to use your credit cards in autofill. So we'll click Saved Credit Cards. So here it will automatically add a couple things from your Apple Wallet, not necessarily all of it. If you'd like to add a credit card, just click the Add Credit Card button on the bottom. Here you can type in all of the information manually and then click Done when you're all set, or you can use the camera function to take a picture of your credit card and it will fill it in for you. Now to remove any credit cards, you'll click Edit on the top right. As you can see, you cannot remove your Apple Card or your Apple Cash. If you'd like to delete this card, you'll tap it and then click Delete on the top left. I'm going to leave it in there. And once you have the credit cards in there that you want, you are all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.